Hi, this is Adam. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. It is raining. It is windy. And yes, I'm running. And this is just to say that this summer I'm going to be running the 100k race, the race to the stones, and training's underway so far this new year. And things are hardcore, I've got to say. And I'm going to be charting. I'm going to be charting my journey through the year and reopening the Hypnosis for Running blog. As you can tell, I've been working a little bit hard this morning, so I'm not communicating as well as or as fluently as I usually do. Okay, hypnosisforrunning.com is back, and I'm back running. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.